Hi, this is Mark Cupp, Executive Director of the Lower Wisconsin State Riverway Board, with your weekly Riverway report. Today we're videotaping from the Orion boat landing at Almar Acres in southern Richland County. Well, I know you're going to be surprised to hear this. High water is the story again this week. In fact, for today, we set a record at the Muscadet gauge for May 28th, based on 100 years of data. And that was a reading of 30,000 cubic feet per second. So about 5 feet at the Muscadet gauge, breaking the record that was set in 2017. And it looks like upstream at Prairie du Sac flows about 20,000, but we had localized heavy rain events. A lot of these tributaries are flushing out below the dam, and so I imagine for a few days anyhow we're going to have sustained high water. Bottomlands are all flooded, the islands are flooded, of course no sandbars available. Well, if you do have a trip planned for this weekend, you want to keep your eye on that gauge. And if you're renting canoes, please contact your canoe livery operator. Make sure they're putting out boats. And everyone's keeping a close eye on this as we're now into the summer use season. But what are you going to do? River's high. Otherwise, this is a free Wisconsin Fun weekend, June 1st and 2nd, with no admission to state parks and trails, and free fishing weekend. So grab your rod and reel and the friends and the family and get out somewhere and see if you can catch a few fish. Also, we have farmers dairy breakfast starting up in the, a couple skeeters here. This is the beginning of the dairy breakfast season, and Crawford County kicks off this weekend. There'll be others, so you can find out about those activities at either travelwisconsin.com or scenic60.com. Also, if you haven't read the Driftless Reader, or if you haven't heard about it, Sunday at the Brown Church near Bear Valley, there'll be a reading of that with the co-editors Kurt Miney and Keith Kelly. Weather-wise, it looks like we get another day of rain, perhaps tomorrow, at least some scattered rain. Thursday and Friday look nicer. Small chance of rain on Saturday and nice day on Sunday. But of course, that's all subject to change as well. Next week on Thursday, we'll have by next week, I should say, we'll have our Voyager replica canoe trip schedule announced. Keep an eye on our website and our Facebook page and in your local paper. They fill up fast, so if you're thinking about trying that out, it's a free trip. Call the office and let us know. For all information about the Riverway, 1-800-221-3792, or you can go to lwr.state.wi.us or send an email my way, mark.cupp@wisconsin.gov. As we watch the river roll by and hope we're going to see some sandbars pretty soon, until next time, I hope to see you somewhere in the Lower Wisconsin State Riverway.